Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone keep dropping calls frequently after the update to latest iOS version, then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Thing that we have to do, launch settings and enable airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds, then disable airplane mode. Next, tap on mobile data. Here we have to tap on mobile data option, voice and data, and select 4G instead of 5G, 3G or 2G. We need to be enable 4G. Thing that we have to do, go back to settings, scroll, find and tap on phone, on call forwarding and turn off call forwarding. We have to go back to settings, tap on general. Here we have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Next, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. The last thing that we have to do, settings, general, software update, and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available, and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.